Hi guys, I'm JL and I'm with
Keith.
and Coach.
Wax.
Ngayon ay sikit naman yung i-hot seat natin about sa kinain namin kanina ng lunch. So, okay Coach, simulan mo na yung pagtatanong.
So guys, kanina si JL, it doesn't know anything about calories, right? Now we're gonna ask Keith. And anong in-order mo kanina, Keith, during our lunch break?
So what I had was chicken pecho and my rice choice was plain rice and then may side dish siya of achara.
Okay guys, chicken bacolod pecho with one plain rice and side dish of achara and extra rice. What do you think it? How many calories is that?
Probably around 580 to 100 or more than that. Dahil rice nga ako, so
I see.
yung rice ang nag-add na calories sa akin.
How can you say na 580? Guys, very close! Very close! Sa estimation natin yung guess ni Keith. How? What do you think? Paano siya nakarating ng 580, guys?
I think may idea si Kit or nag-ano rin siya ng mga calories, ganun. So, paano mo naisip yun na sobrang close ng sagot mo?
Well, for me, kasi naging cautious din ako with my weight during the pandemic. So, starting there, like, minameasure ko na yung gram na kinakain ko. Even if, like, simple, sinigang na siya. Even nung habaw, minameasure ko kung ilang gram. So, like, naging cautious ako with my weight.
So, meron pala siyang conscious dati about sa pot niya. Kaya meron siyang alam about mag-measure. So, okay, Coach Wax, ano pa yung itatanong mo?
So guys, wala, hindi na tayo kailangan ni Keith. Kasi kaya niya na mag-isa. So basically, lahat ng focus natin kay JL na lang talaga. So guys, for the final calories of chicken bacolod with rice and achara, 582 calories, guys.
Kasama na extra rice.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Wala pang extra rice yun, guys. So, that would be for one plain rice. Ang guess ni Keith ay 580 and the right answer is 582. What do you think, Keith, about the macros? How about the protein? How many grams?
Siguro with the chicken, kung gano'n kalaki usually, around 25 to 30 grams of protein. Tama ba ako?
What do you think, Coach?
Not too close. For the protein, guys, it's 52.1 grams of protein. Kasi chicken breast yung kinain niya, guys. And 100 grams above yung chicken breast. So basically, 52. Yun. Ang taas ng protein, guys. Kung gusto niyo ng protein, always eat breast in chicken. The white meat, guys, is the leanest and the highest in the protein.
So, Coach, may tanong ako. Maganda ba yung tulong ng protein sa katawan?
Yes, especially for muscle building. Kasi guys, you can't outsmart a bad diet. I mean, you can't outwork about bad diet. Kahit 3 hours ka mag-gym, if you're not eating the right amount of protein na kailangan ng katawan mo, so basically, hindi ka rin mag-recover. Pinagod mo lang yung sarili mo. So, yun yung tulong ng protein for us.
So, last question, Coach, for me, ha? So, pag hindi ka nag-gym, pero kumakain ka ng breast na, and then nga may protein yun, nakakatulong pa rin ba siya? Maganda pa rin ba yung nagiging epekto niya sa katawan ng mga tao?
Exactly, yes. Why guys? Kahit di ka naman nag-workout, lumalakad ka sa araw-araw. So basically, if you're hitting your right macros, you'll see changes pa rin sa body mo. As long as you're eating the right amount of protein, right amount of carbs and fats. Basically guys, lagi naman tayo may physical activity so in everyday life. So yun. Helpful pa rin siya even though di ka nag-workout.
Okay, Coach, mabalik tayo kay Kit.
So, ang hula ni Keith guys is 25 grams of protein. How about the carbs, Keith?
Yung sa rice, siguro around 150 to 200 grams of rice.
So guys, for the carbs, total carbs is 54.5.
Okay.
Way too far guys. Kasi yung 1 cup of rice is 200 grams. Yung measurement namin. You'll see it in the video. So ang equivalent niya is 54.5. And how about the fat, Keith? What do you think?
Probably 50.
50. Okay guys, for the fat, it's 14.1 grams. So baka magtaka kayo guys, kung breast yung kinain ni Keith, bakit may fat? Kasi guys, yung breast na yun is di naman siya skinless. We have to include that skin. So winay namin siya, you'll see it in the video. 7 grams of skin, chicken skin, amounts to 2.8 grams of fat. And yung rice naman, and for the breast guys, amount of fat is 7.6. And guys, yung petcho pala ng chicken bacolod, meron siyang wings. Hindi lang siya pure breast, okay? So we have to count the fat from the chicken wings also. And it's 3.1 grams. And the total of it is 14.1 grams of fat. Yung whole meal ni Keith. So, guys, we have break down the macros and also the total calories. By the way, guys, yung total calories ng kinain ni Keith is 582 cals. And I forgot, he ordered extra rice, guys. So we will add that extra rice to the total calories. So 200 grams of rice totals 256 calories. So guys, 582 plus 256, ang total na kinain ni Keith ay 838 calories in one sitting, guys.
Nagulat ka ba, Keith?
Yeah, dahil yung LGL, nasa 600 lang, and ako 800. And yung part ng akin, more or less fat than yung sa part ng LGL. So, ano ang explanation mo doon o bakit yung kinakain o ay more?
Yep. So, baka magtaka kayo guys. Breast yung kay Keith, leaner. And yung kay JL is thigh, leg and thigh. Pero mas mataas yung calories ng kay Keith. Why? Kasi guys, minasure namin siya sa food scale. So basically, yung breast, yung amount of grams ng breast ni Keith, amounts of 138 grams. And yung wings naman is around 20 grams. Yung kay JL guys, very maliit lang yung chicken ng leg and thigh ni JL. So for the leg part ng chicken ni JL, 17 grams lang yon. And yung thigh is around 50 to 60 lang. So basically guys, if we dare to compare, yung breast alone ng kinain ni Keith, 138 grams. Yung leg and thigh ni JL is amounting of 80 grams lang. Laking difference, di ba? Meron pa yung breast ni Keith, may skin yon, may wings, may atsara pa. So basically that's it guys, 300 calories yung difference nila. 838 for Keith and 500 plus for JL.